Let's set up the OANDA v20 API for automated trading bots. 60 seconds, step by step. Create an OANDA account and switch to a practice account for safe testing. In the dashboard, generate a v20 API token and copy it securely. Install the OANDA v20 library or your preferred v20 SDK via pip. Store account_ID and AP_token in environment variables or a protected config file. Confirm account details with a quick curl or Python snippet connection test. Start by importing v20, reading environment variables, and creating an API client. Request current pricing for an instrument like Euro_USD to verify the feed. Use a dry run or practice order endpoint to simulate trade execution first. Log responses, handle errors, and respect rate limits in your bot logic. Switch to live only after thorough backtesting and secure your API token. Monitor logs, set alerts, and iterate on your strategy as you deploy the bot.